Logos Apparels Limited. Established in 1998, Logos Apparels Limited is a distinguished 100% export-oriented composite unit specializing in the production of knitted items. Our core expertise comprises knitting, dyeing, finishing, printing, embroidery, and garments manufacturing, positioning us as a leading player in the global market. At Logos Apparels Limited, we take pride in offering complete sourcing solutions characterized by competitive pricing, unparalleled quality, dedicated service, and a commitment to professionalism, and exclusively exporting 100% of our garments to globally recognized brands. Our manufacturing facilities boast cutting-edge machinery sourced from the EU, USA, Japan, and Taiwan, thus reflecting our unwavering commitment to high-quality, environmentally friendly, and cost-effective operations. In line with our pursuit of excellence, we have established a state-of-the-art dyeing and finishing unit equipped with Venus fabric dyeing machines, complemented by coherent integration with other textile operations. We are committed to maintaining the highest standards throughout the production process. We have long-standing associations with select factories, many of which have achieved certifications for social and quality compliance from the world's premier rating bodies. These strategic partnerships, coupled with our exceptional sourcing capabilities, position Logos Apparels Limited as a trusted and reliable knit item supplier, offering versatility in style and design. Logos Apparels Limited remains dedicated to exceeding the expectations of our global clientele. Our commitment to continual innovation, ethical practices, and unwavering excellence defines us as a reputable and forward-thinking player in the knitted apparel manufacturing business.